Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to swap out the home page on your Shopify store for Father's Day. And this is very important that you do this because we don't want the Mother's Day one showing now anymore. So you can do a couple things. You can do a duplicate of your theme if you want, just like this. And then you can just rename it to Mother's Day. And then next Mother's Day when you want to use it, you can go back and use this theme. What I like to do though is something a little bit different. I'm going to rename this to the date, so I'll go like May, and I guess it's 5th dawn, and this is Mother's Day 2026, so I'll save that. Then I have a copy there just in case, but now I can also go in and like edit the code on the existing one. And what I want to find in here is the index. So if you've never been in here, you just go into templates, and then I believe it's right here, index.json. And this one is the current Mother's Day one. So what you can do is go in here and just go like click, and then go right click and gonna do select all. So on your keyboard, go Control button and then A, and then Control C. And then what I would do is go to Notepad. I just use Edit Plus for this, but let's just close all these out. My other screen for a sec. So I got a program called like Edit Plus, but you can use Notepad if you want. So let's just get this in here. Get in the right folder. There we go. So now I've got that copied to my clipboard. So I'm going to go to New, Normal, and then Paste. And then what I'm going to do, see all this code is just Shopify code for your homepage. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and right into this folder, create a folder, your store folder, and then have one called Homepage. Call it this, Index dash Mother's Day, and then .json, and then as file type, just put all. And then we go save. Oh, and if you get that, you just got to do UTF-8. Okay. Now I've got a copy of this in my homepage. So I've got Father's Day, Mother's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Valentine's Day. Now, I want to swap it out to Father's Day. So I'm going to use the one I already saved, which saves me a ton of time. Well, I'll show you this first. Let me move this over. If I go back here and I say, I want to change my theme. So I go Edit Theme. And then I go homepage, and now I can change everything on here that I want, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to do manually for every holiday. Let me make this a little smaller. Try to make this a little smaller. This pop-up is annoying. Oh, won't let me, okay. Oh, buddy, get out of there. So I've got all this, and I want to just change that to all my Father's Day products. Now I already have it done, but if you did this manually, you could like click here, and then you can see you can change all the text. You can click here, and then you can change the images, and you can click here, and you can change that to Father's Day. Click here, change that to something else, change that, change these. You know, I use image with text here instead of products, but you could use products. So you would swap out the image, then you would click here, you go all the way through everything, and you would swap it all out. But since I already have that file from last year, I can literally go like this. I can press in here, delete that, and you're like, oh my god, you just deleted your whole home page. Yes, I did. So now I'm going to go in here, Control A, Control C. Now this is my Father's Day file, and I'm going to right click in here, and I'm going to click on Paste. Then I'm going to click Save. So now when I go back to my home page, it's going to have a bird. Oh no, it actually did it. So now I can view this up here. If I want to, under Live, Homepage, View. There we go. So now what I did is I swapped everything out, but I kept this code. So I got to get rid of that. But need a gift or maybe just something cool for yourself, scroll down. Treat yourself or someone else, and we'll keep the impulse buy hush hush. Just call it proactive generosity. Check out our top selling gifts. We got a platter, we've got a t-shirt, we've got a mug, we've got 3 reasons to buy from us, we've got free shipping on all orders over 75. There's all the gifts. And boom. So now we've got a Father's Day base one done, but I do need to swap out that top part because that makes no sense at all. So in here, the title and subtitle, I can just actually hide that. I'm going to go save, and this pop-up is super annoying. The pop-up does not show that often on the page. Let's view that now. And there we go. So now my homepage is swapped out for Father's Day, and I've got 3 gifts, and then I've got some text, although I should probably change that text a little bit. Free shipping on orders over 75, I can do that. And then, this part, I need to change that too. So let's go back in here, just while I'm seeing that. And I will change this to, I have a Father's Day one. Romantic, no. Smart, order now, shipping. Oh, I could turn this one on. Turn that one off. It's possible. Or I could do a total Father's Day one. Now this pop-up is just in the editor. Super annoying, but let's go back here. Let's reload. There, changed it. Free shipping over that. There. So now I've got my Father's Day homepage ready to go, which you do need to do, and there are specific times of the year that you need to make these changes. Usually about 7 days before the actual event. So Mother's Day is like very soon. I want to make sure though that I'm not really focusing on Mother's Day gifts on here, because I want to switch to Father's Day because that's the next upcoming holiday. And sometimes it can be hard to keep track of like when to switch your homepage and what to put on your homepage, but that's what we can help you with too. If you do have the VIP store build that I do offer, you don't even need to do this. It's a matter of going to your editor, your homepage, your Shopify editor, and you can actually click on the homepage that you want, and then it will select the different one, and then you can change all the stuff in it. So I do have, I don't know if I have it on this one. Yeah, I don't have that installed on this store, but it's super easy to do. When you do, I just don't have it. Yeah, maybe I'll do a walkthrough of the one that shows up on the VIP store build after. But anyway, make sure you click save, make sure you click exit, and then you are done. Your homepage is ready for Father's Day. So go ahead and do that now. If you have any questions, let me know.